Alright. So, I have this iPad. Corners keep coming unglued. I'm not sure why. This is a replacement screen because it got dropped and the screen broke. I guess the glue that it came with just wasn't very good. So I've got replacement glue strips here. And when you buy these replacement screens, they'll usually come with a little toolkit. The toolkit includes this little tool. Includes the larger tool, kind of the same thing. Yeah, slot and a Phillips screwdriver. Basically kind of a guitar pick, a bit thicker than a guitar pick. Another guitar pick like thing with more recessed edges there. It's a bit stronger. And a suction cup. And those are the basic tools you need for most Apple devices. Additionally, you'll want guitar picks and some form of heat. iFixit.com has their official eye opener, which is basically a sock filled with rice that you put in the microwave. I have a heat gun. And you'll want cleaning supplies. So if you get dust on the LCD under the glass, yeah, you can't wipe that off without taking it apart again. So anyway, disassembling these is quite a bit harder on an actually broken iPad. This one isn't broken, it does work, it's just coming undone. So anyway, let's start by getting it heated up. And I'll start in a corner that's not coming up. Oh, there. Get a guitar pick under there. Right in this area right here, you need to be especially careful because that's where the Wi-Fi antenna is. I've only been able to do this once without destroying the Wi-Fi antenna. Luckily, they're a pretty readily available part and not terribly expensive. They're $3 or $4 to buy it if you do end up accidentally destroying it. Got it. See, I'm using the guitar picks here to keep the glass separated, otherwise it'll try to glue itself back down. There. The guitar picks are stuck to the glass there. There we go. Wi-Fi antenna is intact. Yay. Now comes the fun task of getting everything cleaned up. So you need to get the failed glue off of the glass here, and off of the case. Yeah. Let's see. Use some very strong cleaner on this. I imagine vinegar would work too, or some other household solvent. Basically, there's little strips of glue around the edges of the glass, and that needs to come off. So, you know, that's all. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the body of the iPad just to keep that from getting damaged. LCD is held into 4 screws. Something that people don't normally see. This is inside the iPad. Let's see. This is the main controller board. Everything's under nice shielded cans here. Down here's the Wi-Fi antenna. It's got a little wire that comes up. Your 30-pin connector there. And then this goes up to your headphone jack, your camera, the front-facing camera. Where's the rear-facing? Okay. Okay, the rear-facing camera is over here, along with the sleep button. There's your hold switch and volume controls, and you have their little board that goes over here. And these, the rest of this is battery. These are 3 lithium cells, and they're absolutely huge. So, yeah, most of the iPad's mass is battery, and that's why the battery lasts so long. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. I'm going to carefully remove the glue. Let's see. Just using paper towel. Well, that kind of went everywhere. Stuff basically chemically sandblasts anything it comes in contact with. It doesn't smell very good either. I actually need to apply this stuff and then let it set for a little bit. I actually ate a lot of it off already. Cleaner just kind of turn these strips to slime. The stripping itself off, but still quite a bit of adhesive residue on here. Let's just paint. There's a little bracket down here that holds on the home button. If you're replacing the front piece of glass here, you will have to take this off, and there's some little adhesive pads that hold it on there. And it's kind of a pain in the butt. Don't miss. That's a little bracket for the camera. I can actually just kind of stick that on the camera for now. is new. It's kind of weird. Anyway.